Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Peppermint Crinkles. This is Anne. So bye products. I kind of, don't worry, I'll be posting them almost every day, catching up with 2017. Do apologize again if you want to know just a quick reason why I've been in and out of the hospital because of an infection. So yeah, I don't want to elaborate it. I did explain it on my previous video. So anyways, this, as you can see here, in this big plastic bag, it's my September-October 2017 bye products. So let's start before my battery runs out again. Cotton pad, loving this. I bought this from Miniso. And then I've already used up this Pond's cold cream, the small one. I do have a bigger one now. This one is much more thick, while the other one is much more emollient. Yeah. This one is baby wipes. I use that for my skincare routine. This is my antibiotic lotion, which is erythromycin solution. This helps quickly dries my pimples and zits, all those stuffs. But I avoid this on the area around my eyes because this really tends to make my skin dry. And since I do have a very oily skin, this helps balance it out. Since I'm using the Pond's cold cream, it's very oily, so at least it balances out. And of course, 2 alcohol, as you can see. I use this for also brushes, with somewhat like a brush cleaner. And then another alcohol, I bring this on my purse. So yeah, I'm going to use this because I need the packaging. The bottle, small bottle. I'll buy a big one and then I'll just pour it some there. And then this big shampoo. Actually, I'm diluting this on water because I do have a very thin and very unhealthy hair right now since I'm taking medicine. So to avoid breakage and hair falls, I kind of dilute my shampoos on water. And then this is my setting spray. I bought a liter of this and I love it. And this is my holy grail setting spray. I do have some samples. Because of samples, I'm just using them up, and then I quickly go back to this. And then of course I've already used up, I'm not going to use this up. This is the e.l.f. lip exfoliator, and it kind of dries down already, and it's very sticky and disgusting, so throw it away. And then lastly, I bought this from Miniso, and I kind of like this, but when I go back to Miniso, I haven't found this. Maybe they discontinued selling this. This is a dark brown. It is usually very dark for my brows. As you can see, that's the swatch over there. It's really a very dark brown, so I kind of mixed it with gray. It's kind of a reddish brown thing, dark brown, but I use this up. This is brown actually, an eyebrow. And one thing I didn't notice, if you pull this, there's a spoolie. How convenient is that? So yeah, use this up. Okay guys, so that's my monthly bye products for the month of September and October. Thank you very much for watching, guys. God bless and bye bye.